In this tutorial, we will see that how you can fix Android Auto not working in just few steps. So let's dive right in. So there are some of fixes that will help to fix Android Auto not working. For the first step, open your all apps and open your phone settings. Here, scroll it down and open connection and sharing. And here you will get this Android Auto option. But in case if it's not showing here, what you can do is in settings menu, you will find here this search bar. You can search for Android Auto. Here it is. Open it. After opening this, in startup menu, you will see here start Android Auto automatically. Open it. It will be on default. You have to choose always. After doing it, click back and open apps section. Here, open apps management where you will get these all apps. Open Android Auto from here. You can also search for it if you didn't find. Here you can try to force stop this app. After stopping this, you can open this app permissions and make sure these all permissions are allowed. It will help to fix Android Auto not working. After allowing these all permissions, click back, open storage usage and simply clear data and clear cache from here. It will help to clear all the bugs. And for the last step, simply start your phone to fix this Android Auto not working. So that's how you can fix Android Auto not working in just few steps.